Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Listen and repeat and learn.
आज की वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे माँ और बच्चों के बीच होने वाले कुछ सिंपल सेंटेंसेस। हम अपने बच्चों से रोज छोटी छोटी बातें करते हैं। अगर वही बातें हम इंग्लिश में करें तो खुद के साथ साथ बच्चों का भी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव होगी। इस कॉन्वर्सेशन के थ्रू आप अपनी डेली लाइफ इंग्लिश को बेटर बना सकते हैं। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
Wake up. It's morning.
I am so sleepy.
Come on, get up. Don't be lazy.
I want to sleep a little longer.
No, you'll be late for school.
Okay, Mom, I am getting up.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yes, I did.
Have your breakfast.
What's for breakfast?
Bread and milk.
Okay, I will eat now.
Go and take a bath.
Do I have to take a bath now?
Of course, don't waste time. Get ready quickly.
Okay, Mom. I will take a bath now.
Have you packed your backpack?
Yes, I packed it last night.
Did you put your homework in the bag?
No, I forgot. I will keep it now.
Did you take your lunchbox?
Yes, I packed it in my bag.
Hurry up. The school bus is here.
I haven't tied my shoelaces yet.
Shall I help you?
No, Mom, I will do it myself.
Be careful on your way.
Don't worry, Mom, that you take care. Bye. Hi, Mom. I am back from school.
Welcome, dear. How was your day at school?
It was good, Mom. I had fun with my friends.
What did your teacher ask in class today?
My teacher asked me to recite a poem.
And what did you do?
I recited it confidently.
So, what did your teacher ask in math class?
He asked me a math question.
What kind of question?
He asked me what is 5 plus 3.
And what did you answer?
I answered 8.
Very good.
Thanks for watching and don't forget this.